future of computing just arrived. Google has officially introduced Android XR, a groundbreaking new operating system designed specifically for extended reality glasses. This isn't just another VR headset. This is a complete reimagining of how we interact with technology, and it could change everything. In the video, we'll break down exactly what Android XR is. So what exactly Android XR? Android XR is Google's new operating system built from ground up for extended reality. That means augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality experience. Unlike traditional Android for phones or Wear OS for smartwatch, Android XR is specifically designed for glasses and head-mounted displays. Think of it as Google's answer to Apple Vision Pro, but with Google's own approach, while Vision Pro focused on premium, closed ecosystem. Android XR is designed to be an open platform for that work across multiple device manufacturers. This means we'll see Android XR glasses from Google, Samsung, Lenovo, and other companies, not just one option. Android XR combines the best part of Android flexibility with purpose-built features for extended reality. It includes spatial computing, hand gesture recognized, eye tracking, spatial audio, and seamless integration with your other Android device, like phone and tablets. It built on Android foundation that power billions of devices worldwide, so developer and user will feel somewhat familiar with interface and ecosystem.